If you're watching this video, that means you care. You care about your personal growth and unlocking your full potential. Thank you for joining me here. You see, many people underestimate the power of life skills and the kind of impact it can have on your personal and professional success. Some believe that life skills are secondary or, optional, overshadowed by technical skills or academic qualifications. But the truth is, and that comes from our personal experience of having trained more than 10,000 students now, is that life skills are the foundation of success. In fact, studies show that 85% of job success comes from having well developed life skills such as communication, resilience, adversity, emotional intelligence, and leadership. 92% of recruiters agree that life skills are equally or even more important than technical skills when hiring. That's why we are so thrilled to share the Ultimate Life Skills Mastery Bundle package with you. The real world skills they don't teach you in an MBA. They don't teach you how to build resilience when life gets hard, how to truly innovate when you're stuck, or how to create sustainable happiness that is not dependent on external success. These are the life changing skills that shape not just your career, but your entire journey. This bundle is not just another set of courses. It's a personal transformation toolkit. Whether you're a working professional, a business owner, a student, a trainer, or a coach, or simply someone who's committed to leveling up, you will find tools here that make a real difference in your life and career. With our Emotional Intelligence Master certification, you will enhance your self awareness, empathy, and leadership skills. The Art of Training certification will equip you with the ability to design engaging training programs and communicate effectively, thus positioning you as a knowledge expert in your chosen field. And our Moral Intelligence certification will teach you how to make ethical decisions, lead with integrity, and navigate moral dilemmas in personal and professional settings. You will also get access to the Certificate of Happiness Practitioner program. This is not just about experiencing happiness in passing moments. It's about understanding how happiness can be intentionally built, sustained, and practiced as a lifelong habit. This program is deeply grounded in science. Years of research in positive psychology and behavioral science have proven that happiness is not something we wait for, it's something we can actively create through small, consistent actions. Inside this program, you'll explore practical science based methods that help you shift from stress and dissatisfaction to a mindset of gratitude, optimism, and emotional balance. Closely connected to this is the work we do in Resilience and Adversity Mastery. Here we go deep into what it really matters to bounce back from setbacks, to handle uncertainty with strength, and to thrive through life's most difficult moments. You'll walk away with practical strategies that you can immediately use to strengthen your resilience in both personal and professional settings. And to truly stay ahead in today's dynamic world, the Creativity and Innovation Toolkit plays a crucial role. This program empowers you to think differently, to approach challenges with fresh perspectives, and to cultivate creativity as a daily habit. When you're solving problems, building projects, or leading teams, this toolkit helps you break through limitations and innovate with confidence. And not just that, each certification includes detailed course materials, online live video lectures, interactive exercises, exclusive webinars, downloadable resources, personalized coaching sessions, access to an online community, and an opportunity to make real world impact. Our content is highly researched, top of the class, and backed by the latest findings in neuroscience, philosophy, and psychology. And unlike others, we don't just scratch the surface. We dig deep into the nuances of human behavior, offering you practical strategies that deliver tangible results. If this sounds interesting to you, then I invite you to join a community of like minded individuals committed to personal and professional growth. Register below and let's build a community where empathy, integrity, and continuous learning are celebrated.